Alright, we're going to be breaking into a Blizzard Authenticator. It's a Digipass. I've been getting battery low symptoms, and it's not doing it today, but... Oh, there we go. Battery 05, whatever that means. Probably a level. It's eventually going to go, but these authenticators are the most secure because they're offline, unlike on your phone. So it is the ultimate. Now, there's a battery in here, but here's the issue. It's like sonically sealed. It's molded shut. I got a snips here, various tools, a couple plastic ones. I'm probably going to be using mostly metals, you know, pry bars, stuff like that. Alright, I started it here. This seems like the best starting point where the key ring is. So it's you're gonna mar it, but let's go. I have not opened it, but I got it started in this corner. Let's see what I can do without destroying it too much. And then when you get in there with the metal, you know you don't want to short anything, but that's gonna be unlikely anyway. This could take a bit. Okay, so it's lifting a little bit. I'm just gonna have to run. I'm gonna have to run this down here. Okay, so see, it started there, and it's gonna be ugly, but we'll keep it running. Yeah, you know, and I feel like this screwdriver is gonna slip and punch through my hand or cut me. Yeah, it's getting ugly already. Okay, I don't think these plastic ones are gonna do it. No. So audio level okay, it's a little too high there. There we go. Let's bring her down a bit. Wish I had. Let's try this one. This is an eyeglass screwdriver with silicone on the end for whatever reason. Okay, there we go. That's cutting through, I think. Yep. That seems to be riding the edge, okay. We can just get one end started, then should just lift pretty soon, I hope. I don't want to break anything while we're prying. Still getting my codes. Blizzard does not sell these anymore, by the way. I have a StarCraft one too, laying around somewhere. Oh, see it? I already hit my hand. Yeah, be very careful. This is going to slip. It's going to keep slipping. This is working better than a knife. A lot safer. Come on. Ow. Let's try some other tools. No. Take your time. No, I don't want to crack the PCB, little circuit board either. I should go back on this side, see if I can just lift this whole end at least. Bring the plastic in there, that should fit. That's broke now. Okay. This thing's garbage. Let me try it though. Hey, let's see, what do we got? I don't know how deep the seal goes. Maybe that's my problem. I'm gonna try, I'll go back here where the biggest lift is. See if we can bring it up. There we go. There we go. I like that. Okay. I just want to get something on the bottom there. I need a temporary something that can hold it, and then try to get the plastic underneath. Kind of hold it open a bit. Okay, let's try this. Oh. Ay. Close. Look at that. Look at that. Look at just. Oh, let me get this underneath. Behave. There we go. There we go. Now, just don't want to break the circuit board in half or kill the code. Okay, that should be enough. Yeah. Oh boy, what is that? Okay, we didn't tear that off. The crystal. Okay. Now, I don't know if this is on a clock or if the capacitor is going to hold it power temporarily, but we're just going to change it and see what happens. Okay, I need 4 little Phillips there, it looks like. Well, do I even need to take this out? Probably to get the battery. Yeah, it's in a little slider case. Okay. Get all Phillips here. This should do it. Come on. Yep. Okay, looks like 4 screws. There we go. I'll pull that guy out. Oh. Yeah, they're gonna fly around. That's fine. Pick them up later. Number 2. Screw. Number 3. It's a CR32, CR2032, I believe. Okay. We'll get a reading on it, see where it's at after we pull that thing out. Number 4. Oh. Okay, it's just gonna release on me. Oh. Yeah, it's still generating code. That's what we want. plastic one here because now we're dealing with metal. We don't want to short anything. Come on, behave. Okay, there we go. Careful on the display. It looks like one of those pressure ones. Yeah, they're gonna take much to move that. Just kind of hovering on there. Where's my button? Give me my button. Alright. Yeah, there we go. Date, October 24th, 2009. Yeah, that's about when this was purchased. Okay. There's the... Yeah, I don't see any capacitors on here or anything. It's, whatever chip that is, we don't know, because it's in case. Let's just read that in. Well, it's installed here. Ta-da! Where it leads. There and there. Okay. What do we got? My hidden mouse. Is my meter working? Oh. The Windows not refreshing for some reason. Okay. Is it updating? Okay. What? There's the ground lead, okay. Let's just clip this on top here. That would be okay. Oh, hitting the bottom. Oh my gosh. That's good enough. There you go, 2.8. It's not updating on the recording though. Anyways, I got 2.8 volts. I'm not sure why. What the heck's going on here? Well, we'll just get rid of this because something happened. Anyways, I'm reading 2.8 volts on the meter. Obviously we want 3, so it did detect it. That is low, correct. That's fine. Alright, I'm just going to remove this as quickly as possible. Okay. That would be a horrible thing if my authenticator doesn't work after this. I don't know if it's going to reset anything. I'm going to try it, see if it actually authenticates after. And I'll put it in the description. Whoops. Where's the plastic one? Plastic tool, where'd you go? On the floor. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you are, and you go. You one's in. Okay. And something just fell off. That would be the display. That's alright. We'll line it back up. The new battery is 3.3 volts. Did a reading beforehand. Okay. Alright, let's get our button. See what happens. Yeah, the display, it'll be fine when I get it back in the case. But I lost my connection there. Let me set that down here. Try a little pressure here and see if we can get it. What's it say? Gibberish? Okay. Yeah, it appears to be working. I just have to get my display seated correctly here though. I didn't want to bump that, but I did. Whoops. These are, I bet you they're pretty fragile. But yeah, it's got a little membrane there. That's how it picks it up. And I'm flipping it around. Okay. We'll be alright. I'm going to put it back together. See if I can get everything lined up here or not. My goodness. Yeah, they don't. Those are like free floating there. Yeah. Maybe I should do this first to get that display in. It'll seat. Looks like it has a seating for it. Just line everything right up. Okay. Well, put this guy back together, get the screws back on, should be good to go. It's taking me way longer than I expected. Four screws. How's our button doing? Something's not. Ah, shoot. I didn't take that one out. Pop it out. See that guy there? That screw? Missed one. I guess there were 5. All this time. There was 5. We'll get her out of the way. Okay, display's on. Button's in. Line it up. Push it down. Alrighty. Let's put in two or 3. Make sure we get a good image yet. Now, the Authenticator should last me another 14 years. Right? I gotta... Okay, there we go. Do I need another one in there? Yeah. On the end there, 2 on the end. Just gotta get that pressure right. So if you want your Authenticator repaired, if you don't want to do it yourself, you're more than welcome to send it in. We'll take care of it here at arcadecup.com. Ta-da! Ta-da! There you go. How about that? All day long. Another 10 to 15 years before we get a battery low. Safest Blizzard Authenticator you could ever have. Don't throw them out. And putting this back together. It'll be a little ugly. I don't even need the back on. Can make a new backing for it. Who's gonna 3D print these? Someone needs to 3D print those. Right? Also, I can get a camera. There you go. Support Ukraine. They're a beacon of democracy. We don't want to lose them. Goodbye.